Hear that? That's the sound of your hard-earned money flying away right out of these leaky air ducts. Air duct leaks are pretty common, especially in older homes. They can make your house less comfortable and cost you money over time. But luckily, they don't cost a lot to fix. So today we'll learn about how to spot a leak and how to fix it yourself. So let's get started. So step one, how do you know your ductwork is leaking in the first place? Here are a few telltale signs. Have you noticed that your energy bills are suddenly higher than usual? Is dust starting to pile up in your home? Are there big temperature differences in some rooms of your house? Well, these could all be signs that your ductwork is leaking. So now what? Well, first you need to find your ductwork. It's likely going to be in your attic or your basement, depending on where your HVAC unit is. Let's find out more with our EPB Energy Pro, Wayne Cagle. Hi, Wayne.
Hi, Carrie.
So what are you looking for when you're trying to spot a leak?
Well, you've got a main trunk line that runs all the way down the house.
Okay.
And off of this, you're going to have takeoffs that are going to come off of each one of them that's going to go up to the vents on your floor.
Right.
So where these takeoffs are is that's where most of your air leakage is. So if you feel around them, you should feel air leakage, or you really shouldn't. But if you do, that's where you're going to seal up.
Okay.
Also, where this main duct ties into your heat and air unit, around it should be taped up or mastic up also. And where the end of that takeoff goes up to the floor, and you've got your vent there, right there where it meets that wood. That's the three main places.
So that's what you're looking for. Now, one of the things that you can get from EPB, there's a valuable service from EPB that you can actually schedule to pinpoint leaks. Tell us about that.
Yes, we do a blower door duct blaster test, where the blower door test, it will test the home for the air tightness of the home, and the duct blaster test that will actually test the duct. Okay. And what it does, it pressurizes the duct, and it will tell us how much air leakage is there. And if we've got a lot of air leakage, we can go through the house at that time and feel where that air leakage is and tell the customer, this is where you need to seal up.
So that's just a quick way to get right to it.
We find it right off.
That's great. All right, so let's say you find a leak. What are some simple ways that you can fix it? Because it is pretty simple, right?
It's very simple and very inexpensive.
Okay,
I mean,
even better.
yes, you can buy mastic tape where you can go and take around these takeoffs, and you seal them, and where it goes up against the unit and on the main trunk line, you can seal everywhere there's a joint on that main trunk line. You will seal it, or you can paint it on with mastic. It's also called mastic, and I like that way the best. And you just paint it on just like you're painting, but it will harden like a cast on your arm. So when it seals, it's sealed.
It's going to do the job.
It's going to do the job. And then where the takeoff comes up to the floor, around that, you can actually caulk that. You can use foam, or you can use the mastic also.
Okay. There's one tape you don't want to use that people think you should use. What is that?
We do not use duct tape. The regular duct tape is not to be used. And really, the silver foil tape that has no writing on it, that is not mastic tape. Do not use it either.
Good tips. Thanks, Wayne. Now we know. If you're ready to tackle this job on your own, good luck, and be sure to tell us how it went in the comments. If not, there are plenty of qualified professionals out there. And remember, if you need help, advice, a blower door and duct blaster test, or even a free home energy checkup, we're always just a phone call away. Or send us a request at epb.com/energypros. Thanks as always for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.